Today's Thursday, September 22nd. This is the 1971 Cadillac DeVille 879 1128 left-hand driver's side, original vintage, power door lock actuating solenoid that has been fully restored from my friend Kevin in Texas. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. Extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction, extension, contraction. Very powerful snap. The unit has been completely disassembled, fully restored, and it'll be going out to my friend Kevin as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 through 1976 and all over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items. Overall, I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, September 22nd. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.